everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. Today we took a trip to the big box store, and while there I decided to look at the vegetables. Here's a tip for those of you who are shopping for plants at a big box store. Look for those pots that have multiple plants growing in them. Typically the nursery put 2 or 3 seeds in there to ensure germination. Just be careful when separating the roots from those pots that have multiple plants, that you take your time to detangle the roots without damaging them. If the soil is a little on the dry side, water the plant and allow it to sit for an hour or so before attempting to remove the multiple plants from the pot, since the roots will likely be tangled. Each of these small containers cost about $4.78. If you can get one consisting of 3 or 4 plants, that saves you from purchasing multiple pots, thereby allowing you to buy another variety of vegetable. If you like the information that's presented on this channel, please feel free to subscribe, share, and leave comments to help this channel grow.